welcome back to the Mini Frugal Chef. Today we'll be making easy, delicious apple muffins. So let's get started. We're gonna first add 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients all together and set these aside. For our wet ingredients, we're gonna first add 1 room temperature egg, and what we're gonna do with our egg is we are gonna mix it together until our egg yolk and our egg whites are all incorporated together with a fork or with a whisk. And once they are just like that, what we're gonna do is we are gonna add 3/4 cup of milk, just like that. 1/4 cup of cooking oil, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Now we're just gonna mix this together until it's all incorporated together. Once you have your wet ingredients all ready, we're gonna add them to our dry ingredients, and we are gonna mix them together until we have a batter-like consistency. Once you have your batter ready, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1/2 cup of fresh sliced apples. I sliced my apples in little cubes, but you can slice them in whatever shape you like. Just make sure that they are small. Now we're gonna mix this together just how I did, and you should have a lumpy batter, not a smooth batter. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get them ready to bake. Now I have my batter ready here, and I have a cookie scoop, or it could be an ice cream scoop, it doesn't really matter. And I have here my pan. Now I'm using a cupcake pan. You can use little Muffins pan, or you can use bigger cupcakes. But now I greased my pan with some spray, but you can put little paper cups so that your muffins don't stick. Now I'm gonna scoop a little bit of my batter into each cupcake or muffin cup, just like this. Now you can put as much as you need, just don't overfill them because they will overflow in the oven, just like this. Now, before I put them in the oven, I'm gonna give it a nice pat on my counter so that they are flat and they don't grow and be deformed. Now, as you can see, my pan is filled with my batter, and in these two, I filled them with a little bit of water so that they wouldn't burn. And now I'm gonna put this in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Now, I'll see you when my muffins are all done. Now, I am super excited to taste my apple muffin. This is how it looks. It looks delicious. So let's taste it. tastes amazing. If you love apples and muffins, make sure to follow this recipe. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate it. And you know what I also do appreciate? If you could give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. Bye guys, see you next time.